Windows has lots of accessibility options for people who have visual impairments. Today we're going to take a look at two of the options that you have built into your Windows computer. First, we're going to take a look at the magnifier. Then we're going to take a look at the narrator. First, to open the magnifier, I go down to my search bar and I start typing in the word magnifier. As soon as it pops up, I can hit open, and it's going to go ahead and bring up this toolbox, and you can zoom in with the plus button, or you can use the Windows logo key and the plus button at the same time. So you can make it bigger, and then you can use the minus button to make it smaller, or you can hit the Windows logo key and the minus button on your keyboard. You can also use different screen modes to see the text in different ways. So you can use the Control-Alt-L shortcut to use a lens and to just zoom in on certain parts of your screen. Like so. Or you can use Control-Alt-D to dock your screen, and you can see on the top wherever you run your mouse over. Then, to return to a full screen, you want to hit Control-Alt-F for full screen.
Taskbar.
Now, to find the best narration, you can hit the mouse and sound button, and it says read from here. So that will go ahead and turn your narration on. And you can hit the gear button to change the settings of the narration. So I'm going to magnify this, pull up the settings. Here are just simple settings, and if you want to go to advanced settings, you can hit this blue link right here that says go to settings. As you see, my narration's already turned on, so this blue highlighted rectangle is what he is reading out loud. So I can change his voice from a boy to a girl, and I can change also the accent that it's in. Obviously, I have my language set to English on my computer, so my options are in English, but they also have options for other languages. They also have options for you to change the speed of which the voice narrates. So if you need the text read faster, you can slide over to fast, and then you can start to slide towards slow the slower you need them to read. So to get started, you want to hit the mouse arrow and the sound button, or you can hit Control, Alt, and left mouse click. And that will begin to read what is on your screen. And obviously it's not perfect, but you can also go forwards and skip parts, or you can go backwards and have them read again. And to turn this off, you just want to hit Windows Enter to turn narration off. And then if you want to close out the magnifier, all you have to do is hit the exit button. And those are the options that Windows have built into their computers and laptops for accessibility for people with visual impairments.